In today's video, we're comparing two powerful AI presentation tools, Gamma AI and Tome AI. Both promise to make creating presentations faster and easier, but which one actually delivers the best results? Let's find out which one fits your workflow better. Let's start with Gamma AI. Gamma focuses on turning your ideas or text into polished presentations or web pages in just a few minutes. It's designed for simplicity. You type your content, and Gamma automatically handles the layout, design, and formatting for you. The result is a clean, professional-looking presentation with minimal effort. Gamma is perfect if you want something fast, easy to edit, and visually appealing without spending hours adjusting slides. Now let's move on to Tome AI. Tome is also an AI-powered presentation tool, but it's built with storytelling in mind. You can write your ideas in natural language, and Tome instantly generates slides that match your narrative. One big advantage of Tome is its integration with visuals. It can generate AI images right inside the app to match your content. It's also highly collaborative, making it a great option for teams working together on pitches or creative projects. However, Tome might require a bit more tweaking if you want precise control over how your slides look. When comparing the two, it really comes down to your priorities. If you want a tool that's fast, minimal, and easy to use, Gamma AI is the better choice. It's straightforward and delivers clean results with almost no setup. But if you're after dynamic storytelling, beautiful visuals, and team collaboration, Tome AI takes the win. In the end, both tools are impressive in their own ways. Gamma AI is best for quick, professional decks, while Tome AI shines when you want a more creative and visual storytelling experience. So, which one do you think suits your style? The clean simplicity of Gamma or the creative storytelling of Tome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews like this.